We can earn opportunities ranging from $9,400 to $150,000 per month by simply uploading children's animations. Making children's animations is not easy, especially if we only use a mobile phone. However, don't worry, we haven't to edit or create the animations themselves. We can simply record the screen of our mobile phone, and in this video, I will provide a tutorial from start to finish so that you all understand and can create them too. If you want to learn how to do this, please continue watching this video and pay attention to each step. I will start by analyzing existing channels, finding content references, and then moving on to the video creation process until it's finished. Okay, let's move on to the first step, analyzing channels. When you search on YouTube like this, you will find educational animation videos for children, and as you can see, there are a lot of viewers for these videos. Can we create videos like these? Absolutely. I will teach you the tutorial without having to create the animations ourselves. Alright, let's click on one of the channels, Choo Choo TV Police. Here you can see that I am already on their channel, Choo Choo TV Police, with a total of 7,800,000 subscribers. You can see that the videos here are educational animations for children, and they have a lot of viewers, hundreds of thousands of them. Now, can channels like this be monetized? The answer is yes, because for channels like this, we are not re-uploading someone else's content. We create our own content, and it won't be affected by duplicate content issues because we will add voiceovers. As you know, channels like this have a lot of fans, especially if you use English, you can target an international audience. So, how much can this channel earn? Let's check the Social Blade analytics. Here I am on the Social Blade website. For those who don't know, Social Blade is a website where we can see analytics for other YouTuber channels, including their subscribers and earnings. Here I am on the channel Choo Choo TV Police and Surprise Eggs. The monthly earnings range from $9,400 to $150,000. And you know that the views can reach tens of millions. These children's channels have a huge number of views. Look at the analytics for the daily views. It can reach 1.5 million to 5 million views per day. That's a significant number. Even if I assumed the RPM, revenue per mil, is just $10, you can earn around $5,000 per day. For a week, it can reach 8 million views. Okay, let's move on to the tutorial on how to create animations like these. But before we proceed to the tutorial, we need to gather content materials. You can search for toddler apps on the Google Play Store, and you will find several children's apps. However, please note that we are going to create educational animations, not download game apps like these. This means that we don't have to go through the hassle of creating animations ourselves. Instead, we can use the animations available in these apps for our content. Don't forget to download a screen recording app as well. If your phone already has a built-in screen recorder, that's fine, but if not, you can download the screen recorder app from your app store. Let's continue with the video production. Now, I'm already inside the game, so please remember not to forget to record the screen. Otherwise, you won't capture everything. Okay, here's the app. Just click play to access the available animations. We can easily add voiceovers and other ornaments to enhance our creativity. Look at these amazing animations. We can incorporate our own ideas, such as adding voiceovers. Great! We don't need to create animations from scratch. You can focus on the voiceovers because the animations are already provided within the game. You might wonder if using these game animations would violate copyright. The answer is no. Just like Mobile Legends, playing the game doesn't infringe copyright. It's merely a medium for our content. So, we can be creative with these animations, like adding our own voiceovers or other elements. For example, we can talk while performing activities in the game. Now, we don't need to create animations ourselves, saving us time and effort. We only need to focus on doing voiceovers since the animations are already available in the game. You can easily rearrange and customize them. Moreover, this game offers many features and options. To avoid monotony, I recommend using multiple apps, as viewers can get bored if we only use the same game repeatedly. So, try different games to add more variety. Alright, let's move on to the second app. Here we are in the second app. It seems to have even more features and several educational games for children. We can create numerous content pieces using these games. For example, each game can be a separate video. This way, we can produce a lot of content within one app. Let's try one of the games. In this app, you can remove the sound and replace it with your own voiceover or narration. For instance, if there's a drum in the game, you can simply talk while placing items according to their respective colored match. Don't forget to record the screen so that you capture everything. Just adjust your voiceover to match the gameplay. You may encounter ads in this game, but don't worry. You can edit them out. There are still many games you can use to create content. If you need more content, you can download other apps as well. This way, you'll have a variety of content and avoid copyright issues. Use your creativity to add additional elements, such as background music. You can find copyright-free children's music on YouTube. After that, you can edit the sound in the CapCut app, Premiere, DaVinci Resolve and other editing videos on your App Store or PC. Afterwards, you can add more ornaments, such as your channel logo, text, or anything else that can make your videos more appealing to viewers, especially children. Finally, export the video. I hope you found this explanation useful. If you liked this type of video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to not miss out on other opportunities to make money online. Thank you for your attention, and I'll see you in the next video.